Hey everybody, Dustin here. We are today. I wanted to show you how to use Google Meet as a screen recording tool. So you can, while you can also meet with other people and do FaceTime or video chat kind of features with it, you can also record it if you have the education version and then use that just as a screencasting tool. So that's kind of cool. So let's check out, see how that part works. Let me make sure my pointer's on click, highlight click. So first thing, let's go to Google Meet. So you need to go to Google Meet. So we're going to type in here, actually I want a new tab, meet.google.com. That's all you need to type in, meet.google.com. And you're going to go into here. There we go. And one of the key pieces is that you are logged in with your teacher email. So notice I'm in my laneesd.k12.org.us. If you do that, you automatically have, well, your districts, I think, have automatically enrolled in G Suite for Education, which allows you to record. If you don't do that, if you're in your normal Gmail account, then you won't be able to record in these meetings. That's a added feature. You have to pay for it, but as a part of an education, it's included. Okay, so join or start a meeting, and let's call this Google Meet for screen recording. Okay, so we'll continue that. Doesn't matter what you name it. You can name whatever you want to. Now you can use these as meets to with students, and then you can record them so that if there are students who couldn't make it, then you can have them look at the video later, or you can just do it without anybody else present, and you can still do the screen recording. So click Join Now. Click on Join Now. You can get, this is the information for meeting with people. If you actually want to meet with other people, you can do that. Otherwise, just click out of that. And now, here we are. We are ready to go. I need to move my little mini screen here so that it doesn't hide all my controls. Hide that little control too. And so, you've got present now, you've got turn on captions, you've got the little leave call, you can turn off the camera so people can't see you, all those things. But so, how do we record? You look down here in the bottom right-hand corner, you've got these three little dots right there. Click on those three little dots. Up here at the top, record meeting. So that's what we need to do. We need to record meeting. We will click on that, ask for consent, make sure you're asking everybody if they want to do this recording or not. Click accept. And up here in the upper left-hand corner, you'll see that it's a red record button. That means we are live. We're recording right now. Oh boy. All right, so here we go. So you would say, hey, welcome everybody. So good to see you again. I miss you. Hope that all things are going well for you and at home. Please reach out to me if you need anything, if you're having a hard time getting food, if you're having a hard time with accessing technology or resources or anything. Just let me know. I'm here to help you. And let's get started. Let's talk about week one. Yay, that's what we're in, week one right now. So whatever you want to tell them. Maybe you want to do this screencast as a way to introduce the work that they're going to do for the whole week. You do not need to meet with them every day. You can just say, hey, here's all the information you need for week one. And then you can, the students, the nice thing about recording is that students can replay it over and over and over again to hear those instructions if they need to. So let's say, hey, I want to do this, but let's go to our classwork. I'm going to show you what we're going to do. All right, so over here in classwork, make sure you're up in the classwork tab up here. And as you go down, you will find the assignment that you are going to work on. Let's say it's lesson 3 is going to be this week. And so I want you to record or go through and do these video tutorials and take this little quiz. That's the assignment for the week. Not too bad. Again, make sure that you complete all the assignments and turn them in. If you want to remind them that you need to make sure that students turn in the assignment for that to happen. You can't show them on this side. You have to show them on a student view, which is not a bad idea to have that as a video. But maybe showing what the notifications are, the lesson itself. Here's that video. Hey, everybody. This is like meta. I'm like video within video within video. So you would do that. Then you would come back to the tab that says Meet. It's a little green camera. come back to that one. Hey, okay, so closing out this video now, I just want to say again, I'm thinking about you. I miss you. Hope you are well. Please make sure you reach out if you have any questions or need any help or need assistance with anything of any kind. Otherwise, have a great one, and I'll see you later. So we're done there. And then you can now, in order to turn off the video, to stop recording, you go up to that same button, 3 little dots here, stop recording. Okay, so now we've stopped the recording part, and now Google is going through the process of making is downloading that video to your Google Drive, and I'll show you how to get there in just a minute. Let's see, then, so we're done, right? We can leave our meeting. So the little red button here, leave the meeting, return to the home screen, you're back here at this part, we're all done. Great. Now, where are you gonna find this video? If you go to your Google Drive, so let's click on G Drive. I have this little bookmark up there. Go to My Drive on the far left over here, right there. And then you're going to look for, if you keep scrolling down, you're going to see Meet Recordings. So that's Google Meet Recordings. Double click on that, it opens it up. This is a video from last week that I did. I was doing a little trial on that one. But notice there's no other meetings in here. And that's because it takes time to process those videos. The longer your video is, the longer it will take to process that video. So I'm going to come back when this thing populates, and I'll give you an idea of how long it took. Okay, so I'm back now, and look at that. It has populated in. It gives you a weird name for it because this is the kind of login code they give for each different event. But you can see the date on there. So April 6th at 11 a.m. And that's exactly when I was doing this video. So I know it by date. Go back here. If you right click on it, then you can rename it. And this was, maybe we'll call it Lesson 3 Information. Whatever. So now it's called Lesson 3 Information. Makes more sense to us. Maybe it's week 1 information, maybe it's week 2, whatever happens to be for you. You can link this in your Google Classroom now. So within Google Classroom, you could put in the stream, for example, if you wanted to. I could put this in the stream about here's this video that people want to see, or maybe it's in the classwork and you have it as one of your assignments, whatever it might be, you can put it in there. That's it. Let me know if you have any questions, and I am happy to help you out again. Take care, everybody, and I will see you later.